Hello everyone, I am Mr. P. Satra. Once again I am coming back to you. This is specially, I am doing this class for the ICC students, and today my topic is two-dimensional array. So before going to start my class, this is my request, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. So today my topic is two-dimensional array. I already have explained about the single dimensional array, bubble sort and selection sort, and two searchings. Today mainly the two-dimensional array, how to declare and how to accept the values, and a lot of programs are there in two-dimensional array, but we are going to now I'm starting on this two-dimensional array, how to declare the array and how to initialize, how to feed data into the array. That is important. So please let us see it very carefully. I will, after explanation, I will show you in computer. So please see that one, then it will be very much clear for you. So let us start. So the first one, that is two-dimensional array method of declaration using integer, means I am declaring first how to declare the array. So how to declare the array after declaration, you know that the variable declaration. So after declaration you can input the value. So this is array variable, these are array variables. Now today we are doing the two-dimensional array. In two-dimensional array you will see this two brackets, square brackets will be here. That means it is two-dimensional array. Single dimensional array you will see only a single bracket. Now two-dimensional array, before going to feed data into the array, you see the two-dimensional array format means the value where we will input, it will be looks like this. Now any of this method, or this method, anyone you will do, we can feed the data into the computer. So this is what method of declaration, first method, second method, third method, anyone you can choose. Mostly we will see that this in our program we will use this, but any of these three, so out of this three, anyone you can apply. Declaration of the array means after doing this, let's see how to declare int. This is array symbol, name of the array, this square matrix, this is the square bracket, a equal to new int 3 3. That means 3 by 3 matrix. Now I am doing this example, I am explaining this example using that integer data. You see this is integer data. You can use any primitive data, that is integer, byte, short, long, character, any data type you can use. But now today I am showing you that is using integer. So 3 3, if you write this 3 3, that means size 3 3, that means number of rows. What is this called? The first one is called number of rows and number of columns. So rows and columns, 3 rows 3 columns, that means this is the same. This is the shape for 3 rows 3 columns. This side is called rows and this side is called columns. Okay, so whenever you will do like this code, if you write, that means you are making the shape like this, means you are making a place where you will write that values, integer. How many values you can write? 3 into 3, that means 3 into 3, 9 integer numbers you can write. 9 integer numbers means any integer value you can write into this position. But whenever you are doing this, that means array all the time you will see the first pocket, the location will be 0. And this is also 0, means 0th row, 0th column, 0th row, 1st column, that is the second column, means the first row, second row, third column. But the numbering we will start from 0, and left to right we will start first column, second column and the third column. You will see that whenever you will write this, what will happen? This is the first cell in the two-dimensional array. This is the first cell, that 0th row, 0th column. This is the second one. What is the position? Position is 0 1, that means this is the first column and the first row. So like that, the graph sheet how you have seen in that way. So we are going left to right. So which one is increasing? Column is increasing. You see that this is first column, this is second column, this is third column. So this row is constant, 0 constant, 0 constant, 0 constant, in this way. So this location, whenever you are doing this, that means you are making one empty space, you are making one empty space like this, you are making one empty space like this. So 0 1 2 0 1 2, these are the places you can give the value, you can give the value. You have made it ready, you have made it ready, so you can give the values here. So any of this method you can write in one line. You see that int a double square brackets equal to new, and this new keyword you have to apply for the two-dimensional array. Even the single-dimensional array also you have applied that 3 by 3 matrix. And int, you can see this through two brackets, you can give it left hand side, and then you can write the variable name. In this way you can write. So these are the three ways you can make that two-dimensional array declaration. After declaring, we have to feed the data into the computer. Without making the array, we can't give the value into the array. Otherwise, we have to go for the direct method, that is declaration cum initialization. I'll tell you that one. But before that, it is clear, after giving this, we have to write the program like this. Okay, so this is the way. You see that I have written the program, this line if you follow. So I have used this method, I have used here, this method I have used here. So after doing this, this is the method, the matrix input, you are taking the value from the user. Means if you declare this way, you are taking value from the user, and user will feed the data. That time it will go into that particular position. Okay, so this is finished. Now I will explain this one. So after that, after declaration, we have to write the program like this. Now you see that, so any of these three lines, you have to write this line, you can write it here, or this line we can write it here, and the remaining portion will be same. Now so we are going direct feeding. Direct feeding means that we do not computer will not wait for the user. If you write this line, so what will happen? This line means we are making a 3 by 3 matrix. You see that I'm explaining right now using the square matrix. You can make the array in different size also. If you write like this, suppose if you write here, if you change 3 by 4, 3 by 4, what will happen? 3 by 4 means number of rows 3, number of columns will be 4. So if you divide this way, that means this is 0 1 2 0 1 2 3. If you write suppose 3 by 4, this place, if you write 3 by 4, it will be looks like this, the frame will be looks like this. If you write 4 by 3, that time you will understand 4 by 3 means like this. 4, number of rows will be 4 and number of columns will be 3. 0 1 2 3 0 1 2. This is the two-dimensional matrix. Different ways. 3 by 4 means this. 4 by 3, if you write 4 by 3, 4 by 3 size, 4 by 3 size, that time the shape will be like this. But now after doing this 3, now we are coming to this point. So we will not waste our time, we have to do it first. So declaration cum initialization. Declaration cum initialization means direct you are making the array and you are giving the array values, means the array elements we are giving directly in the program. Computer will not wait for you to feed data. You see that this line if you write, then we do not have to write this or this portion, only to show the data. This portion to show the data, this portion I have written to get the data. Now see, if you write like this, what will happen? This is direct method, means this is for the first row, row equal to 0, this is row equal to 1, this is row equal to 2. You see that row, this 1 2 3, you see that this 1 is here, this is 2, this is 3. So whenever you are writing 4 5 6, so this is the second row, row 1, this is row 1. What is this row 1? Row 1 means this 4 will come here and this 5 will come here and this 6 will come here. So you can understand the last row will come here. So if you write directly like this, that means you are giving direct value. So we don't have to perform any more nested loop to access the value, to get the value from the user. And if you write like this, after that, after giving the value in this way or this way, okay, any way you can give the value, input method or declaration cum initialization method. You can do any, you can follow any one. After giving the value, now the different types of problem you will get. Maybe sometime you have to show sum of rows, maybe diagonal elements, maybe cross elements, maybe sum of all the array elements. Different types of works you have to perform. So only first you feed the data into the computer this way or this way, any of them. Now the different work you will get, that I will show you in next class. But before that, let me explain this also. So this method declaration and initialization over. Now you will see, I will show you this one in computer, then you can understand more clearly. So you see that if you follow this one, so what will happen? A nested loop is required. How you will get the value? So this loop will work 0, 1, 2, 3 by 3 matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. So whenever I will be 0, you are coming inside, this message will be visible. So after showing this message, you have to give the value. Computer, I want to give 3 integer values. So what is this? This is the way you are taking the value from the user using next int. If you take character data type, you have to take how to accept character from the user, that way you have to write. If you take long data type, next long you have to write. So you see the data type is integer. So I0, I equal to 0, so 0, and j equal to 0, 1, 2. Less than 3 means it will work up to 2. 0, 0. So first j counter is 0. So 0, 0 means you are accepting a value. Suppose you are accepting a value 1. So that one, where I will show, I'm showing it here. So this is 0, 0. You see that this is 0, 0. We are giving value 1. So it is coming. This is index. I have explained this is index, but value you are giving here. So this one will come here. So 0, 0. In this way, we have to go forward. So first line we have to finish, then we can come down for the second line. So 0, 0, then 0, 1, then 0, 2. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 means 1, 2, 3. So different value. After giving 1, then we are giving suppose 2, then we are giving 3. So after completing the inner loop, J0, J1, J2, this is J value. J0, J1, J2. We are coming out from the inner loop. Going back for the further iteration. I is 1. So I is 1 means you are once again coming inside the inner loop. So coming inside this line, enter array elements. Again this message will be visible. Now again j is starting from 0. So that time this I value will be changed. So I1, j0, I1, j1, I1, j2. So what will happen? 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. So this is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 0 means you are giving value 4. You can give some other value 5 and 6. So next time we are giving value 4, 5, 6. This will come here. In this way, again you are coming I equal to 2 coming here. So this time it will be 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. So 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. That means you are giving some other value. Suppose 7, 8, 9. So this way we have filled the complete two-dimensional array. After filling up the values, what to do? We should show once. If you want to show, if you want to do some other work, you can do. But now for the time being, I am showing array elements are, I want to see. That time also you have to show, you see the print statement. How you have used this loop, similar manner you have to use this. Only here you are using the print statement and there is a blank line. The number will come 1, then a gap, then 2, then a gap, then 3. In this way I want to print. If you don't want to give the gap, so it will be more compact. So it will be difficult for you to understand. So I will show you this working in my computer. Then it will be very much clear for you. So let's see our contents. Our contents in our computer. So let's see. This is my computer. and I will show you the complete working here. Please follow it properly. So I have written already, suppose I have written already, this is my code, and you see this I am showing you here. Please let's see two-dimensional array, how to input. So how to input this, let's see. I told you already that how to initialize that. I should show you once, then it will be very much clear. So please see once. So I will show you the complete code here. You can see here. Let me show you once how to write this initialization method. How to write that initialization method in temp. In temp I have written like this. So if you write the code like this, if you write the code after compilation, you write this code after compilation, you see that it's not the mistake, no syntax error. So you see that you can write in this way also. This A you can write it here. So compile, class compile, no syntax error. You see that class no syntax error. Or you can write in 2 lines. You can write in 2 lines. You see that I have explained on the board like this. A you can write in 2 lines. This is also valid. So this 3 initialization, declaration I have explained on the board. Now I am showing it here, that is working. Okay, now let me show you that actual program, whatever I have done on the board. Let's see that one, how to feed data into the computer using that which way. Okay, declaration come initialization, once again I'll show you. So let me show you first input method. This is the input method, means I'm following this one. This nested loop is required. So just now I have explained on the board, and this is how to show you all the values in my terminal. Okay, so compile, class compile, no syntax error, close this. Now come to this run void main, check, enter, where you are getting value here, check. This is enter, check it properly. Enter. This enter, I'm giving enter array element. Suppose 1, then 2, then 3. This is for the second row. Second row I'm giving suppose 4, 5, 6. Third row 7, 8, 9. Check. The array elements are printing in this way. So this is what integer array. We are working with integer array. You can do some other way. Suppose this is integer array. Okay, now integer array, I can take some other, I can show you some other data type. Suppose I will take double data type. I'm showing the double data type also. You can understand double. So double, you can write the double. What you will write? 3 by 3 matrix. Double data type. So that time where to change, any other place you have to change here, only this part I have to change that time. DOUBLE, double. Compile, no other places you have to change. Double data type means a fractional value you will take. Right click, void main, check. Suppose 4.5, 6, 5, 5.9, 3.4, first 67.2, suppose 6.1, 9.0, 1.1, 2.3, 4.5, enter, check. This is first line, the first value. You see that first value you have given 4.5, 4.5. So 4.5. In this way, this is double data type we are accessing. Okay, so now, so we can understand that data type is not the matter. Very simple. Only which place, input time, which place you have to change. This is the place you have to change, and this is the place you have to change. And one more thing I want to tell you. Suppose this way, initialization, direct declaration come initialization. What to happen? So that time you can't give the value. So what you will do? You remove this complete declaration come initialization. Declaration come initialization. Suppose int a 2-dimensional array, and here you will write suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 bracket comma again 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma this is then 7 comma 8 comma 9. This is direct method or initialization method. Declaration come initialization. So no input is required. Compile it. Just you are taking the value in this way and showing the value. Nothing else. We are not doing any other processing work. Right click, void main, you check the array is coming in this way. So if you change some other values into the array, suppose I am changing this value, I am writing 20. You see that what will happen? Direct, we are getting the value from there. So let me compile this. Right click, void main, check. I have written in place of 20 I have written, this is coming. If you don't give this space, what will happen, Babu? What will happen? If you don't give the space, what will happen? It will be very much compact and it will be difficult for you to understand what the values you have given actually. Okay, so let's see. Right click, check. How you will read the answer? That is the reason I had given a blank here. So if you give the blank, so it will be too much clear for you to understand what was the actual value. Okay, so let me check once. This is the way that I can show you. Okay, so this is a very simple way that I have explained. This is very simple way I have explained the two-dimensional matrix. Now if you can understand it properly, definitely you must give the feedback, and if you need any other help, please give me the message, then I can understand that what to upload. So this definitely I will upload more problems like this which will be very much important for ICSE students, and please try to follow my channel. I'll upload lot of interesting topics regarding ICSE. Okay, so up to this much today. So thank you very much. Bye.